Nora Fatehai is 31 years old. Kajol is 49 years old. Catherine Tressa is 34 years old. Nazriya Nazim is 28 years old. Priyanka Chopra is 41 years old. Zareen Khan is 36 years old. Rashi Khanna is 32 years old. Rashmika Mandana is 27 years old. Nithya Menon is 35 years old. Sonam Kapoor is 38 years old. Pariniti Chopra is 35 years old. Taboo is 51 years old. Sarah Ali Khan is 28 years old. Shilpa Shetty is 48 years old. Sonakshi Sinha is 36 years old. Yami Gautam is 34 years old. Ravina Tandon is 48 years old. Nushrat Barucha is 38 years old. Tapsi Pannu is 36 years old. Kareena Kapoor is 43 years old. Bhumi Pednekar is 34 years old. Disha Patani is 31 years old. Pooja Hegde
is 33 years old. Please subscribe to the channel. Kiara Advani is 31 years old. Anushka Sharma is 35 years old. Kangana Ranaut is 36 years old. Katrina Kaif is 40 years old. Shraddha Kapoor is 36 years old. Alia Bhatt is 30 years old. Fatima Sarah Sheikh is 31 years old. Urvashi Rautela is 29 years old. Deepika Padukone is 37 years old. Karishma Kapoor is 49 years old. Vani Kapoor is 35 years old. Jia Mirza is 41 years old. Rani Mukherjee is 45 years old. Jacqueline Fernandez is 38 years old. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is 49 years old. Mrinal Thakur is 31 years old. Rakul Preet Singh is 33 years old. Janhavi Kapoor is 26 years old. Vidya Balan is 44 years old. Kajal Agarwal is 38 years old. Ananya Pandey is 25 years old. Genelia is 36 years old. Ilyana Cruz is 36 years old. Aisha Takia is 37 years old. Tamina Bhatia is 33 years old. Samantha Ruth Prabhu is 36 years old. Nargis Fakhri is 44 years old. Asan is 38 years old. Hansika is 32 years old. Amla Paul is 32 years old. Malvika Sharma is 24 years old. Huma Qureshi is 36 years old. Please subscribe the channel and follow the Facebook page. Thanks for watching the full video.